Every LIC agent knows plans, but only a few can present them in a way that the customer says, "Yes, this is exactly what I was looking for." To be frank, the difference between an average agent and a successful agent is not how many plans they know. It is how they present those plans in front of the customer. In today's episode of the LIC Agent Training Series, we'll learn how to present any LIC plan effectively and how to pitch it in just 1 minute using a simple quick pitch formula. In India, people don't buy insurance only because of features. They buy because of feelings. My children will be safe. My retirement will be peaceful. My family will not suffer financially. Research on sales and insurance pitching shows that the most effective presentations are customer-centric, focused on the client's life, not the product brochure. Simple and visual, using clear numbers and visuals, not jargon. Story-based. They tell a small story that the client can see themselves in. So our goal in this video is very clear. I will give you a structure, a formula, and ready-made examples so that you can present any LIC plan confidently, even if you are a brand new agent. To present any LIC plan in 1 minute, we'll use a simple 4-step formula. You can write this down and keep it in your diary. Step 1: Need. Start with the customer's need or dream, not with the plan name. Sir, every parent wants their child's education to be secure. You told me you are worried about retirement income. This makes the customer feel he has understood me. Step 2: Plan. Now connect the need to a specific LIC plan. There is a plan from LIC designed exactly for this. It's called Jeevan Lakshya. For retirement income, LIC's Jeevan Utsav is a great option. Just the name and the category. Don't dive into all conditions yet. Step 3: Proof, 1 to 2 key numbers. Show 1 or 2 powerful numbers from your illustration premium versus benefit. If you save just 5,000 rupee per month, this plan can give your child around 20 lakhs rupees at age 18. From age 60, this plan can give you 1 lakh rupees every year, guaranteed, for life. Numbers make the promise real. Step 4: Emotion or result. Close a 1-minute pitch with an emotional summary. So even if you are not here, your child's education will never stop. This way, you will never have to depend on your children financially in old age. That's it. Need. Plan. Proof. Emotion. This is your quick pitch formula. Let's start with a child plan. For example, LIC's Jeevan Tarun. Example, Jeevan Tarun Education Protection Plan. Step 1: Need. Sir, every parent wants that, whatever happens, their child's education should not stop. Fees, hostel, higher studies, all should go smoothly. Step 2: Plan. That's why LIC has a child plan called Jeevan Tarun. It is designed to give money exactly at the age when education needs are highest. Step 3: Proof. Here you use your smart calculator illustration for a typical case, say child age 0, SA 10 lakh rupees. For example, if you start with about X rupees per month now, this plan can give your child yearly amounts for education between age 20 to 24. And a big lump sum of around Y rupees at age 25 plus bonuses. Step 4: Promotion. So even if you are not there tomorrow, your child's college dreams will not be disturbed. This is a 1-minute Jeevan Tarun pitch using our formula. Now let's do a pure protection plan. LIC's Jeevan Amar. Example, Jeevan Amar. Protection first. Step 1 Need. You told me, if something happens to you, you want your family to be able to live in the same house, same lifestyle, same school for the children. Right. Step 2 Plan. For this, the best plan is Jeevan Amar, LIC's pure term plan. It gives a big cover at a very small premium. Step 3 Proof. Use a real example from your illustration. Example, age 30, 50 lakh rupees or 1 crore rupees SA. For example, for around X rupees per month, you can get around 50 lakh rupees or 1 crore rupees cover. If anything happens to you, this amount will help your family manage loans, education, and daily life. Step 4 Promotion. Insurance will not bring you back, but it will make sure your family never has to compromise on dignity and basic needs. This is a strong, emotional, but simple protection pitch. Now let's see a savings plus protection plan. Like LIC's new endowment 714 or Jeevan Labh 736. Example, new endowment 714 goal-based savings. Step 1 Need. Suppose you want to create a safe lump sum after 20 years. Maybe for your daughter's marriage, your own retirement cushion, or to close a big loan. Step 2 Plan. For this, LIC's new endowment plan 714 works very well. It combines savings with life cover. Step 3 Proof. Use your real illustration. Example, age 30, SA 10 lakh rupees, 21-year term. If you invest around X rupees per month, the plan can give you roughly Y lakhs rupees at maturity. Plus your family stays protected with 10 lakh rupees covered during the whole term. Step 4 Promotion. So you are not just saving money. You are guaranteeing that a long-term goal will be funded. Again, same formula, different plan. Next, an income plan. LIC's Jeevan Utsav. Example, Jeevan Utsav. Lifetime income. Step 1 Need. Many people are scared of retirement. The biggest fear is, what if my savings finish? What if I have to depend on my children? Step 2 Plan. Jeevan Utsav is designed exactly for this. You pay premiums for a few years and then LIC starts paying you every year till age 100. Step 3 Proof. Use your smart calculator. Example. Example SA 10 lakh rupees, PPT 12 years. For example, with a sum assured of 10 lakh rupees. After paying premiums for 12 years, you can start getting around 1 lakh rupees every year for life. Plus your life cover continues. Step 4 Promotion. Retirement should be a time of celebration, not fear. With Jeevan Utsav, you are creating an income that does not stop before you do. Very simple, but very powerful for retirement discussions. Finally, a pension plan with a single premium. Jeevan Shanti or Jeevan Akshay 7. Example, Jeevan Shanti. Single premium pension. Step 1 Need. Suppose you receive a lump sum. PF, gratuity, property sale. You want to convert this into a safe monthly income for life. Step 2 Plan. For this, LIC's Jeevan Shanti is ideal. You pay once and then get regular income for life after a deferment period you choose. Step 3 Proof. Use a sample from your pension report. Example, 10 lakh rupees purchase, X per month after 10 years. For example, with 10 lakh rupees single premium. After 10 years, you can start getting around Y rupees per month. for as long as you live, with options like joint life or return of purchase price. Step 4. Promotion. This way, your one-time money becomes a lifelong pension, and you don't have to worry about who will send money every month. Now we have practiced the same formula with different plan types. So, where will you get these exact examples and numbers? Of course, from the Smart All-in-One Calculator app. Here is how you can use it in a live presentation. First, talk about the need without opening any chart. Then, when you introduce the plan, open the app and enter the details in front of the client. For the proof, show just one or two key figures: maturity amount, yearly income, or pension. Finally, close with the emotion: what this plan will do for their family or retirement. Avoid scrolling through the entire PDF in front of the client. Just show the key page, key number, and then send the full report to them on WhatsApp later. That looks professional, organized, and confident, which builds trust with Indian customers. Before we close, a few small skills that make a big difference. Always ask questions. What is your biggest financial worry today? What is the one goal you never want to compromise on? Questions make the client feel heard and help you choose the right plan. Focus on benefits, not only features. Instead of saying, "This plan gives SRB plus FAB and GA," say, "This plan can give your family around 20 lakh rupees at that time, tax-free, plus full life cover till then." Use simple language. Avoid heavy jargon. Use words like safety, peace of mind, income, education, dreams, dignity. Don't rush into plan details as soon as you sit. Don't show 10 plans at once. Don't talk badly about other companies. Just highlight LIC's trust and track record. Small changes, but they can multiply your conversion rate. Let's quickly revise. To present any LIC plan effectively, remember our quick pitch formula: need, plan, proof, emotion. If you practice this, you can explain any plan in 1 minute with confidence. Your homework as an agent. Take your diary. Write 1-minute quick pitch for at least 5 plans. 1 child plan, 1 savings plan, 1 term plan, 1 income plan, and 1 pension plan. Practice them aloud, in front of a mirror or with a friend. If you want, you can also use this video as a guide while writing. For detailed plan-wise training and illustrations, don't forget: download the Smart All-in-One Calculator app from Insurance Funda, the trusted companion of thousands of LIC agents. And of course, like this video, share it with other agents, and subscribe to Insurance Funda for more episodes of the LIC Agent Training Series. Thank you for watching. And remember, you are not just selling policies. You are giving confidence to families and dignity to their future.